Hey everyone, this is Double Moms. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at ENDRA Life Sciences, ticker symbol NDRA. After the stock rallied hard today with a surge of nearly 46% into after hours. Before we begin, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Set those notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and be sure to like and share. Now, if you want access to our private Discord so you can get all of our real-time movers and our custom scanners, the link is in that description. We alerted 9 100% plus runners for our private Discord today, July 7th, 2025. You can get all of our real-time movers, our news, and our custom scanners for 4 days at just $1.99. We are just made different, folks, and the early bird gets the cash. ENDRA Life Sciences Inc. develops technologies to improve capabilities of clinical diagnostic ultrasound. Now, today, NDRA closed the day strong, up nearly 46% on over 4.45 million shares traded, marking one of its heaviest volume days in months. Now, the stock pushed from a low of around $3.50 to a high of nearly $5.30, closing the after-hours session with solid momentum and holding the upper EMA band. This breakout was driven by a legitimate catalyst, not just speculative chatter, and that's a key reason it landed on our radar tonight. Several news catalysts might be driving this move. On June 16th, ENDRA released a new data from its ongoing multi-site pilot study showing important enhancements to its TAEUS liver system, including refined probe configurations and improved algorithms. These upgrades significantly improve the accuracy and repeatability of the system when benchmarked against MRI. And more importantly, they set the stage for a successful pivotal trial heading towards FDA approval. This announcement dropped just a couple weeks ago, but interest has now started to explode, likely as institutions and retail traders starting to recognize the implications for regulatory progress. And back last month, May 15th, ENDRA also reported a major reduction in cash burn down to just $1.2 million, and emphasized its lean operational structure and expanding patent portfolio. Now, while not a direct catalyst, this could reinforce long-term viability, and today's breakout might reflect a delayed bullish reaction now converging with the pilot study news. Looking at the chart, NDRA broke cleanly above consolidation and reclaimed the 200 EMA on the 1-minute chart, showing steady higher lows and strong after-hour volume continuation. Now, the float sits at just 738,000 shares, making this a low float runner, and the price is currently holding over both the VWAP and stacked EMAs, which is a sign of strength. RSI is elevated, but not yet exhausted, and volume stayed strong even into the after-hours close. Now, if this momentum holds overnight, NDRA could be a serious gap candidate heading into the next session, especially if volume re-enters near the open. What we're watching for is whether we get a morning push with confirmation above the after-hour highs. If so, traders might look to scalp or swing depending on continuation strength. Please note, folks, we are not stock or financial advisors. This is not professional advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. That's all for today's update on NDRA. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow traders. Excuse me. Stay tuned for more stock updates and trading insights. Until next time, it's still Moms. I'll see all of you again on the flip side.